Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you're looking for a super awesome shower stool, I highly recommend this one from Rohkex. Not only is it extra nice to look at, but it is very durable and so easy to put together. Even with my pregnancy brain, I almost didn't even need the instructions for this. It has everything laid out so easily. All you have to do is screw it together, and the feet are adjustable if you have an uneven surface, which is great. I love putting my son's bath stuff on this when it's time for tubby time. And of course, it makes it so much easier for shaving so you don't have to balance on the side of the tub while doing that, which is a lot safer also. And when it's time for bath time for me, it is the perfect thing to use for my setup for everything that I want to have close by. It's also just a great stool to sit on for my son, which is awesome.
Whether you're looking for a sturdy stool for your shower or just something decorative to sit anywhere in your house, I highly recommend this stool. I love it so much. It's extra durable and it looks really awesome. But that's just my point of view.